Hi guys, my name's Marissa, also known as Homemaking with Marissa. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make a hot chocolate board. As much as I would love to have a place to have an entire hot chocolate bar, my house is not big enough to accommodate something like this. I have instead created these boards periodically for the kids to be able to enjoy some hot chocolate for a special Christmas treat. I start by using just a standard powdered hot chocolate, and then we'll layer in all of the different toppings across the board. If you're new to my channel and haven't done so already, you can subscribe by clicking on the red button down below. It's completely free, and if you click on the bell, you will also be notified anytime I upload an additional video. For this particular DIY hot cocoa bar, I was focusing on using the colors red and white. I found some red and white candies from Target. These were peppermint flavored M&Ms, so I went ahead and separated some of the colors into the red and white and put them in alternating containers, and then did a container of mixed M&Ms. I wanted to add a couple of touches of brown to bring out the hot chocolate by adding some semi-sweet chocolate chips as well as some instant coffee mix. Salt is something that really does bring out the flavor in hot chocolate, so I did add a little bit of sea salt in case someone wanted to add that to their mug of cocoa. The trick with these boards is to just keep rearranging things until it looks right and everything fits. This jar of sprinkles came from the grocery store last Christmas and has the perfect combination of Christmas colors. The kids love getting to select what color or different Christmas pattern they would like to top their hot chocolate with. I also found these mini Ghirardelli peppermint bark squares from my local Target. They were in the back of the store with all of the other seasonal decor, and with the red and white packaging are the perfect accompaniment to this board. If you end up creating your own hot cocoa board, please tag me on Instagram. My Instagram name is the same as my YouTube channel. It's just Homemaking with Marissa. Would love to see what type of things you're able to create in your house. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla extract. This is a vanilla extract that is bourbon infused, and I get it from Trader Joe's. I also thought that it would be nice to add a couple of other flavorings that could be added to the cocoa. This is a stevia sweetening drops and a peppermint flavor. I ordered them off of Amazon and will link them in the description box down below. I also went ahead and added a jar of peppermint extract. You do have to be careful with this because it is very strong, so I would really only add a couple of drops if it's something that you're going to be adding to your hot chocolate. I was going to add a couple of individual packages of cocoa mix because they were in the red and white color. However, I didn't feel like they were fitting very well on the board and decided to just forego them and only use the cocoa powder in the center of the cocoa board. I instead went ahead and added a couple of additional jars of chocolate chips. I added one additional semi-sweet chocolate chip and an additional white chocolate chip. You could add any toppings of choice to these cocoa bars. I have seen some really creative ideas that people have come up with and think that it's really fun to do something like this for the kids. It's extremely budget friendly and gives them a little bit of extra Christmas cheer. At the end of this video, I'm going to include the clips of my kids picking and choosing what type of toppings they wanted for their specific cocoa. One of my children is very interested in dinosaurs. I found this absolutely adorable Christmas mug for him at Hobby Lobby and thought that it would be really fun for him to be able to create his cocoa in that specific mug. Because my children are smaller, I decided to mix up the hot cocoa for them so that they didn't have to worry about mixing the powder into the hot water. You can see I've just transferred it to a little jar in the middle of the board.
I want to do one part. What is this?
That's whipped cream.
I'll take some of that. I'll take a couple of chocolate chips. What dropped it? I think I'm actually gonna break this up.
Oh, you want yours tiny, or do you want a little bit of the mint?
Can you crunch up some nuts?
If you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face on the right side of your screen. I will include my entire Christmas playlist at the top on the left side of your screen, as well as an additional video I've recorded on the bottom left-hand side of your screen. I hope you're all staying happy and healthy. Bye!